Jeff, what was a turning point in your career that you knew like you were building something that was going to work?
The turning point for me was selling lead karma. So I worked on an insurance business. We were actually, I believe, we're the largest or one of the largest lead aggregators in the insurance space, focused primarily on auto insurance. So I'm selling leads to Progressive, Geico, and et cetera. And Bankrate bought us. So I was running the advertising group. My very good friend and mentor and boss, Akshay Patel, was the CEO. And we built the business together, sold it for just under, I think it was 30 million, right around there. Akshay got a lot more than I did, and he knows that. But no, we sold the business to a publicly traded company, and he looked at me, and I got a very large check, and they offered me a huge job at the public company, and I turned it down. It was like shit ton of money, and that's when I knew I was going to be okay, because I had built something with my hands. I knew the roadmap, and another publicly traded company purchased it for tens of millions of dollars. I felt pretty confident that I could repeat that pretty easily and continue to grow, and that was the game changer for me.
And then for Tracer, what was the moment that you knew Tracer was gonna work?
Honestly, the day I met Leighton, my business partner, I knew as soon as that we partnered, we were going to work. I never worried about it.
Yeah. So it's like a human connection thing.
He's phenomenal. He's the best person on the planet, and I don't worry about it at all.